100 BC. As one of the last stops on the silk and spice routes in Anatolia, BURSA was a logistics base that hosted caravans. The opening of BURSA Organized Industrial Zone as Turkey's first industrial zone has made BURSA a center of attraction for the automotive industry. Today, 1 in 3 vehicles produced in Turkey is made in BURSA. 33.87% of the vehicles in Turkey are produced in BURSA. In our city, 1,250 vehicles roll off the line every day. Today, there are 4 automotive main industry companies in BURSA that produce electric vehicles, passenger cars, vans, minibuses, and minibuses. Karasan was founded in 1966 by 269 independent entrepreneurs. In 1971, Tofaş opened its doors in 1971. In the same year, Oyak Renault started production. With these developments, there was a boom in domestic and multinational sub-industry companies established in BURSA. And the TOG campus, where electric cars will be produced, opened its doors on October 29th of this year on the 99th anniversary of our republic. Today, BURSA, which heralded the birth of the automotive industry, both raises the company's export bar and employs 60,000 people with its giant automobile factories. BURSA realizes a quarter of Turkey's $30 billion in automotive exports. The automotive industry, Turkey's largest exporter, ranks second in European commercial vehicle production. BURSA is the address of planned and standardized production in its 17 organized industrial zones and Gemlik-free zone. The 365 sub-industry companies in our city can produce almost all the parts that make up a vehicle. BURSA is shaping the future of automotive. There are 52 R&D centers in the automotive sector in our city. Industrial production in BURSA, also known as green, is also carried out in line with the principles of green consensus and sustainability. There are 81 vocational and technical high schools, including 1 automotive high school, each of which is open to cooperation with the industry, and 3 universities, one of which is private, training qualified workforce. BURSA, the gateway of the Anatolian Peninsula to the west and the gateway of the west to Anatolia, is a converged supply center. BURSA Organized Industrial Zone is proud to bring together the world's automotive giants from nearly 40 countries for the 4th time and to host new collaborations and experience sharing.